Stop paying for voice actors. I am serious. This AI can create brand new voices from a single sentence, clone voices from 10 seconds of audio. And now, with its latest update, it can even generate studio-quality music and ultra-realistic speech in dozens of languages. Most creators do not know about this tool yet. This is MiniMax Audio. And today, I am showing you the newest features you absolutely need to try right now. Let's jump in. When you open the platform, MiniMax might look like another text-to-speech platform. But once you actually test it out, you will never use any other text-to-speech tool, and you can easily cancel the one you have been using. It supports more than 46 languages, offers over 300 preset voices with controllable emotions, includes voice cloning, voice design from text descriptions, URL and PDF to audio conversion, long-form narration, and even music generation. It gives creators 10,000 free credits every month when they sign up, and enterprise users can deploy it at scale through advanced infrastructure and APIs. And with the newest Speech 2.8 and Music 2.5 upgrades, everything just got faster, smarter, and noticeably more expressive. Let me show you how it works. Text-to-speech. When you sign in using the link in the description, you'll notice the dashboard is clean and simple. Head to Text-to-Speech and make sure you select the latest version, Speech 2.8. Paste your script right here, then start adding emotion to your voice. For example, I'll select the first part and set it to happy, and for the last part, I'll switch it to angry. Next, pick a voice from a huge library. You can filter by language, accent, gender, or age. You can even apply voice modifiers, like robotic or lo-fi, and stack emotional settings for extra personality. Fine-tune everything with speed, pitch, and volume controls. Once you're ready, hit Generate.
Hey, this is awesome. I'm really glad you're here today. I think this is finally going to work out perfectly, and I'm honestly excited to show you what I built for this. Wait, what do you mean you didn't check it yet? No, seriously, that's not funny. I spent hours on this. Wow, that's actually frustrating. I asked for one simple thing and you completely ignored it. Don't brush it off. Just be straight with me next time.
Within seconds, you'll get a natural-sounding voiceover with expressive emotion that feels like it came straight out of a recording booth. Speech 2.8 upgrade introduces a new, fluent emotion that makes voices flow more naturally and feel less stiff, especially in long narrations. Multilingual accents are smoother and more human-sounding, which is huge if you create content for global audiences. Number reading has also been upgraded, so tutorials, stats, heavy videos, and finance scripts come out far clearer than before. These small details make a massive difference for content creators and saves you money from hiring a voice actor. The crazy part: voice design. Now here is where MiniMax really separates itself. Most tools force you to upload recordings if you want something custom. MiniMax does not. You simply describe the voice in plain language. Let me try one. Assume I need a voiceover for an energy drink commercial ad. A deep, authoritative male voice that is smooth, confident, persuasive, cinematic, and broadcast-ready. I am pasting the preview text here and hit Generate. And instantly, I get 3 different voices to preview.
Fuel your focus with Volt Rush Energy, the drink built for long nights and bold goals. Clean power, smooth taste, zero hesitation. Crack one open and feel the difference the moment ambition kicks in.
No microphones, no casting, no directing actors, just results. That alone is huge for advertisers and commercial creators. Let me push it further. This time I need a voiceover for an animated story video. I'll type a warm, expressive female voice that is soft, cinematic, emotional, and perfect for storytelling. Paste this preview text and generate.
Every city hides a secret, and tonight you're about to hear one of them. It started with a quiet street, a flickering streetlight, and a choice that changed everything forever. Stay with me, because this story doesn't end the way you think it will.
3 new options. All different. All usable for narrative voiceovers. If this is already blowing your mind, tap like so the algorithm knows we are cooking today. Voice cloning. MiniMax also includes ultra-realistic voice cloning. You upload or record a clean clip that is around 10 seconds long. For example, I am uploading here Trump's voice. turning on advanced settings, such as background noise remover, and pasting a preview text here. Confirm that you own the rights to use the voice and generate.
Folks, let me tell you, this is incredible. Absolutely tremendous. I press one button and boom, the voice is ready. No studio, no waiting, no complicated setup. People are calling me and saying, how did you do that? And I say, technology. Beautiful technology.
And a few moments later, you have a digital version ready to generate unlimited content with the same voice. If you want to save and keep using this cloned voice for your digital content, click on Confirm. Give it a name, select the original language, choose gender, and add a short voice description. That's it. For YouTubers, that means fast narration without re-recording. For brands, that means consistent voice identity across everything. And the realism is honestly impressive. Voice isolation and audio cleanup. There is also a voice isolator that saves a ton of time. Upload a rough recording. Click Isolate. Background noise disappears. Air conditioners, room echo, chatter, all gone in seconds. If you record in less than perfect environments, this feature alone is clutch. Music 2.5 update. Now let's talk about music, because the new Music 2.5 upgrade is serious. It delivers studio-level sound with clean and crisp mixing that feels production-ready right out of the gate. Vocals are warmer and smoother with far fewer robotic artifacts. I will name it Built from the Echo, then paste lyrics here. I am aiming for a classic-style rap song. Enter the song style here. MiniMax lets you experiment with different sound styles, from analog warmth all the way to modern electronic textures. Make sure to choose Music 2.5, the latest version. That's it. You also get advanced song structure controls, so you can shape emotion, drops, and transitions exactly how you want them.
Turn the vinyl up. Back in the zone with the rhythm and flow. Mic in my hand, let the whole world know. Started from nothing now, while I'm building my throne. Every late night turned a dream into stone. Foot on the gas, never folding the plan, don't stall. Old school soul with a future in hand, I stand tall. From the blocks to the lights to the stages we roam. Turn every echo into history's tone. Built from the echo, louder each night. Dreams in the dark turn.
On top of that, for creators who want background music, theme songs, or quick jingles without licensing headaches, this is powerful. Who this is for? MiniMax Audio is built for solo creators, indie developers, storytellers, startups, and small teams. If you need fast, consistent, professional audio without booking actors or recording 10 takes, this platform was designed for you. Developers can plug the system directly into apps using the API, and larger teams can scale production with enterprise-grade deployment. It covers everything from narration to character voices to music in one workflow. Final thoughts. MiniMax Audio is not just another text-to-speech tool. It is a full audio creation studio. Voice design from descriptions. Ultra-realistic cloning. Speech cleanup. Multilingual narration. Music generation with studio-quality output. That combination is rare. I have dropped a link in the description if you want to test it yourself. And if you want more brutally honest breakdowns of the newest AI tools before everyone else jumps on them, hit subscribe, because what is coming next is even crazier. See you in the next one.